Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to find your clipboard history in WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here. Then having opened up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply select a contact. So I'm going to select this particular contact right here. Now the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here. Then having click on that, it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply, and the next thing you need to do is to click on this keyboard right here. And the next thing you need to do, click on this keyboard. Then it's going to take you right here. Then click on here, this icon. Then you have your clipboard. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your clipboard. Then you have all the copies and paste you have done so far in your WhatsApp. So just like so, you can scroll down and see them one after the other. You can simply delete your clipboard history. So for you to do that, simply click on the trash bin. Are you sure you want to delete the content? Simply click on delete. It's as simple as that. So you can also simply retrieve back some of the information. So you can also simply retrieve back some of the messages that you have copied so far from this clipboard right here. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.